guys, my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. I really do appreciate you guys being here and supporting me. So for today's video, I am going to show you guys a drugstore starter kit. So for those of you who are starting in makeup, don't know what to get at the drugstore, this video is for you guys. So I've seen a lot of influencers do this kind of video, and I think it's extremely helpful for those of you who are starting. So I wanted to put my input, and I wanted to put things in the starter kit that I believe are worth the money and are really easy to use. I also created this look using all drugstore products, and I'm living for it. I kind of tried a halo eye. I'm not the best, but you know. I really like how this looks, actually. I really do. So guys, if you're interested on what's in my drugstore starter kit, then just keep on watching. We gonna do the whole shebang. Okay, so let's start off with moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'll be using the Daily Hydration Moisturizer by E.l.f. This is like a repurchase because I really like this. Like, it's so good. And for primer, you guys should have already guessed, I'm going to use the E.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to put that where my pores are, which are like my T-zone. So right here, right here, right here, and right here. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Wetn'Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and I actually been really liking this foundation. I feel like it has a lot more coverage than the original, and it smells better. It is also the same price as the original, so if you do have oily skin and this doesn't work out for you, you can always try the regular one. Okay, so I'm gonna use my New Techniques blending sponge and just blend it all out. I really love this Real Techniques blending sponge. It's so squishy, it's so nice, and it blends everything so well. And I'm gonna use this E.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a satin finish formula. I've really been loving dewy skin lately. That might be a problem come summertime, but for now, I like it. I also don't really use eyeshadow primer. I put concealer on my lids. Okay, and for powder, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair Light. So I put this under my eye using this side of the sponge. And I really don't bake. I just like press on the powder under my eye and like blend it in. I'm gonna put it also on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. Then I put powder on the rest of my face. Moving along with eyebrows, I am gonna use this Wet n Wild retractable eye pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I love this eyebrow pencil. Like, it's so easy to use, and it has this shape that will help you a lot. It's like this angled shape, and it really does help. I'm kind of getting better at doing my eyebrows, but still can't do them and multitask, so I'll be right back. I'm done with my eyebrows. Again, I'm no professional, and it was the only struggle to finish my eyebrows, but whatever. Yeah, if y'all know me, y'all know that I don't really care about my eyebrows, but I don't think they came out that bad. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I'm showing you guys different palettes that you guys can purchase. If not, you probably have it in your collection now. I'm just gonna show you affordable ones that you may want to look into. Okay, so the first palette is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and this is kind of like a dupe for that Anastasia Beverly Hills what is it called, Modern Renaissance palette. Now I don't have that palette, but I've heard on YouTube that this is like a little dupe for it, so you guys can use this. I recently purchased these from e.l.f, and these are the e.l.f bite size eyeshadow palette. I got the one in pumpkin pie and cream sugar right now because I was undecided on which one to use for today's look, but I might just dab into this one. This is the pumpkin pie bite size eyeshadow. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this, and it looks like this. And I did a haul video. I'm probably gonna post it before this video, and I swatched these little mini eyeshadows, and guys, I'm impressed. Let's see how they work on the eyes today. They don't have mirrors, so I'm gonna be looking at my mirror right in front of me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm also using affordable brushes. This is the Wet n Wild crease brush, I think. And it doesn't have a name, that's why I say I think. These are blending so well with a different brush, but it's the same. I got two of the same brushes. I'm gonna go in with that deeper color and put that in my inner and outer corner because I'm gonna try to do like a halo eye. Hopefully it works out this time. But yeah, I'm just gonna tap it there and then blend it. These shimmers are so freaking pigmented. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here, my finger, and place that right in the middle. And I have not wet this shadow yet. I don't think I will actually. I'm gonna go in with a flat shadow brush like this and fix that up. Blend that a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the dark shadow again and blend. Now that's how it's looking. Not bad. Not mad at it. Now I'm gonna do what I did on this side, on this eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the first shade and place that a little bit above to blend everything together. Okay, so to give the center a little bit more pop, I'm gonna go in with Cream and Sugar, and I'm gonna take the lightest shimmer shade and place that right in the middle, just a little bit so it could pop out more. You see how that one pops? I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush. It's really small. It's perfect for under the eyes. I'm gonna take the lightest color in the Pumpkin Pie palette and place that under my eye. And then I'm gonna take the darker color and just place that on the outer lash line right here, just to deepen it up. Guys, I dropped it and this shade almost shattered. I mean, not this one. This shade almost shattered, like. But anyways, at least it didn't completely shatter. Let's move on. I'm gonna take this small Wet n Wild brush, and actually I'm not gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the lightest shade right here, and I'm gonna put that right in the bottom. And I'm also gonna put it in my inner corner. To open up my under eyes, I'm gonna use this nude eyeliner right on my waterline. And for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Okay, so for mascara, I've been loving this mascara. This is the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild Bad Bitch Lift Mascara, and this shit is bomb.com, guys. Like, I really like this mascara. The brush looks like this, and guys, this little curve right here makes it easy to just lift and get into your eyelashes. Like, you guys know what I mean. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but it's like, boom, so good to just cup your eyelashes and just to apply the product. I'm also gonna apply this on my lower lashes. So for lashes, I'll be using these. These are the Poppy and Ivy Beauty 5D Darling lashes. These are like my favorite lashes. They're so affordable. This is the multi-pack one, and this is the style Marlee. They look like this. And they were $5.99, guys. So I'm gonna pop these on, but before I pop them on, I'm gonna put lash glue on them, and the lash glue that I use is this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It looks like this, and this is bomb. I love this lash glue, and in Walmart it's like probably $2.99, less than $5, definitely. Hopefully I don't forget them this time. So while my lashes dry, so for bronzing, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth pressed powder in the shade Coconut. You could always use like a darker shade to contour and to bronze, so that's what I'm doing. That's a little hack. Before I finish bronzing, I'm gonna put my lashes on. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna use this Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Coral. And I'm gonna use this new Wet n Wild brush that I got. So cute. It's so subtle, yet you could build it up, and it's so freaking cute. I love peach blushes. I feel like that's my comfort zone. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown highlight, and I'm gonna use the Bretman Rock brush. So for lips, I have a couple variety of things that I can choose from. First and foremost, I love these Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipsticks. I think this look would go good with red, but I kind of don't want to go with red today. So let's see. I think I can go in with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this color, and this is Give Me Mocha. Because I'm a gloss kind of girl, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. This turned out to be a nude anyway. Nude look. I'm gonna set my face with this Wet n Wild Rose setting spray. Now this bag, I've had this since I was in high school, and yeah, all the products that I used on my face fit in here. And yeah, it's pretty big. I'm not sure where I got my bag from because I got it since high school. I don't remember, but you can find any makeup bag in any store, to be honest with you, like Walmart, Walgreens, TJ Maxx. They have H&M, Forever 21. They have makeup bags. But yeah. And that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay. Why must this happen to me? Oh my gosh, my hair looks so nice. Look at these curls. Cute. Cute.